Hi, welcome back to Finally Revealed, and in this episode I want to talk about pre-bankruptcy planning, preparing to file bankruptcy. I saw a comment the other day on one of the videos from someone who said, if I have to gather all this information together to give to an attorney to file my case, why don't I just file my bankruptcy case by myself? Well, as I've said before, you are allowed in the U.S. to go in civil matters and represent yourself in court. It's really not a good idea. For bankruptcy, it can be even so much more important. The bankruptcy code is not written in plain English. There are multiple sections that go together. There are changes to these statutes and what interpretation the courts make all the time, and you're not going to have enough time to get up to speed and learn all of that in time to take care of your own case. Here I'm talking about pre-bankruptcy planning, which is not in the code. And the only way you know about this is, well, I'm telling you, but if you go to an attorney and you consult with them about what your concerns are, what your assets are, what current lawsuits you have going, what threatened lawsuits you have, what kind of taxes you owe, if you've got any criminal matters, sometimes criminal matters come into play. And pre-bankruptcy planning refers to what the exemption rules are in your state, whether they use the state exemptions or the federal exemptions for bankruptcy. When you are getting ready to file bankruptcy, you want to identify the assets you want to keep, what assets you're going to surrender, what claims you want to dispute, what claims you want to negotiate away, etc. And there are time limits involved as far as what you can do when. There are look-back periods when the bankruptcy is filed as far as what you as the debtor, what the trustee, and what the creditors can do. So type of property, type of debt, the time frame involved, the time, the expense, and going into something knowing how you're going to come out is worth the money that you're going to pay, and it's worth your peace of mind. You really don't want to start and then get into a mess and then have to go hire someone who's going to then have to try, but they can't always undo whatever has now happened. So if you're considering filing for bankruptcy, if you have assets you want to keep, if you have any lawsuits threatened or pending, if you have any types of family law obligations, alimony, child support, if you have tax payment arrangements, anything like that, please go talk to an attorney, lay it all out for them. They can then give you time frame and listen to what they say and get it in writing as far as what you can do when, so that you coordinate with them on when they will file the bankruptcy case. It will give you great peace of mind, you'll get better results, and it's just in your best interest to do that. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions below. Share this with someone who's been talking about, I'll just dump it in bankruptcy, so that they kind of get a heads up. Subscribe to see the other videos and come back and see me next time. Thanks for watching.